How's it going, YouTubers? Today I am playing Slime Ranchers and I will show you around my farm. I've been playing this one for 60 days now. Well, 60 game days. So I'm pretty far in it. It's been going pretty good. I'm right now working towards finding the desert. Here's the first ones I started out with. Started out pink and then I found tabby plorts and fed them to the pink slimes. Then I moved on to those guys. Of course, had my chickens. And then I moved on to these. Actually, I have a lot of them. They're all full, I think. No, oh, he's angry. They're hungry. Got my chicken farm here just for them, though. We'll give them a bite. Let's put our chicks back in there. We want our chicks to stay so they can grow up into hens. Nom 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 nom. Poor hungry guys. They're hungry. Oh, yep, we missed that one. Love those fences that I have up. Keeps them from hitting me. Where is he? He's in here somewhere. I know I saw an angry guy. Where is he? Is he pouting in the corner? No, he's not. I can't tell. Is that you? Come. Ow! Ow! I guess they all found a chicken after all. Oh, stony hens. I always leave at least 3 hens, and I try to keep, 3 or 4 roosters, as many as I can get. They're roosters or roostros or whatever. Let's see. Let's go see for sure. Yeah, the roostros. They're kind of hard to come across. Got all my foods. These guys, aren't they cute? They're cute, but they bite. I've got every one of the expansions as far as I can remember. Unless they've come out with new ones since I played. It's been a long time since I've been on this game. Way more than a couple months actually. It's been... I couldn't even tell you honestly how long it's been. It's been a while. It's been a while. Come down here to the docks. Ooh, what's this? Oh, okay, never mind. Thought maybe they did. There's my phase lemons. Those were fun. Still growing. There's some hens. They just run around and do their thing. Every now and then you'll get lucky and find a roostro in here. No, it doesn't look like it today. Anyway, moving on. Come down here to my docks. This is where I keep some of my more ouchy ones. Yeah, those guys. Oh yeah, they all look pretty good too. I don't see any starving ones. Oh, they still got food in there from last time I was playing. And I got me a garden here. That's their favorite over there. So it gives you extra plorts when you feed them their favorite. These guys, the puddle slime, they are the hardest to keep happy ever. Look at that. I found the duck. I found a ball. I think with all these toys in here they'd be happy, but no, they're hard to please. They're awfully hard to please. There we go, sprint. Dadgum, it's been that long, I forgot you could sprint and all that other kind of stuff. That's sad. That's okay. We'll get there. Come over here to my cave and check that bad boy out. I have all the upgrades and everything so I can sprint for a good while. And these guys, my phase hunters, They're daggum adorable, but man, they escape more than any slime ever. Plus their little phase shadows, they fake me out an awful lot. Those guys are just pretty. Make a necklace out of it. With that little Mew, little kitten Mew. Do. Set, got that open. Check out. I don't remember exactly what I found down there. I think that's where I went and found the lantern that I have set up in here. I've done a lot of exploring in this. Like, I've tried to go in every little nook and cranny that I can think of, and pretty sure right now the only thing I'm missing. See, I found this in the phase place, the gold echo. Just take it, move it wherever you want it. It's pretty. And right there's my lantern. Wish it was easier to set these things up, but I don't know. Here, we'll give it to... No, we'll give it to them. It'd be easier to see these guys having it. Here you go, guys. Anyway, moving on. And I've got... the cute little laughs. This game's actually a lot of fun. Sorry, I'm trying to be extra quiet right now if it's kind of hard to hear me. Look, there's the yard bar. Casher's asleep in the bassinet next to me, and I really don't want him to wake up. Get us a briar hen. That is the hunter's favorite. Oh, no. We've only got one. But since they are mixed with the honey slimes, I can feed them fruit, which I don't have any fruit on me, so I am going to go get me a Q-berry or something. Yeah, wait. Yep, we'll get a Q-berry. And we'll run right back in here and feed them. Because those guys, the hunters, if you don't keep them happy, they'll actually go feral on you. And they'll attack you rather than walk around looking too hungry. I'm gonna try to keep them guys happy. Aren't they just the cutest when they're happy to hear you hungry? Oh, have a carrot. That's the cool thing about the pink ones, though, is they eat everything. These guys eat veggies, too. Remember why I only have two. The reason why I have some of the same ones in this area as what I have out there, even though they're mixed a little different, I have pretty much the same slimes in here that drop the same plorts, just different combinations. I use all of the plorts that these ones drop, and I put every one of those in here. Instead of selling them, I put them up in my machine so I can build all my stuff. Because it takes all the plorts and all that kind of fun stuff to make those. Which I'm running behind on all of it, but that's okay. I think these are ready. Yep. Yummy. And then I'll go put these right back in the machine. Oh, missed one. Gotcha. Sorry, it's a little awkward today. I've got everybody in the living room, and I'm kind of trying to adjust and get used to talking to myself, I guess, in front of everybody. A little different. I got Zayden right here on my elbow, too, if you want to come say hi, Zay.
Hi.
Shh, not too loud, baby. Cashew's right there. Okay. And now I think all my slimes are happy. Yep, look at them. Look at them just being all happy and stuff. Anyways. That's pretty cool. I've got things. See, looking like I've got everything everywhere. But actually, nothing's set up in there. Ooh. I haven't completely learned how to read these maps yet either. I mean, I do know that these right here are some of the machines that I've pulled out to... I'm trying to find lava, but I've tried several different places and I'm not having any luck with it. Because I'm wanting to build a trap, but not going so well for me. So let's just go ahead and warp. Oh, that scared me. Ah, it got me. Wasn't quick enough. It's okay, we'll just fly over. Da-da-da-da. There's me right there. So we'll come this direction. See what kind of chickens it drops at. Oh, they've already been got. Look at that. You go ahead and eat that and turn yourself. Actually cool looking. I haven't made that combo yet. That's where I get my puddle slimes usually, but notice the more you have in there, the angrier they stay. So guess there's just not enough water to go around. Fly right over here. Ooh, Roostro. I don't want you hen. I've got enough hens. But I will take the Roostro. Okay, we're just gonna go back. It's been so long since I've played, I don't quite remember how to get everywhere. I used to have it like memorized like the back of my hand, but it'll take me a minute to get back into the groove. That's okay. Ah, ferals! Oh no, look how mad they are. Run away! Run away! Don't let your cuteness fool you. They got them red eyes, I'll get you. No. Yes. Alright, made it. Oop, we want you. But we don't want you. Got plenty of those. Okay, I believe we're going the right direction. Keep checking the map just to make sure. Need more advanced treasure cracker. Haven't got very far on those, I don't think. That purple one over there, but that one's a lot farther than what I have. Okay. The cool thing about the upgrades I have on my power and my life and everything is I can pretty much fly over everything, so I don't really have to try to get too far around. So I can do that right there. I'll just take that way. Last time I got over there without even opening the door, so I guess that was kind of cheap, but it's okay. We're almost there. I guess it's not really cheat, because they wouldn't make it to where you could do that if it was technically cheating. That's my excuse. Maybe. I didn't think so. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna throw this. Get that. Throw you and you. Well, yeah, I'd rather have them. That's so yay! Look at that, we got another echo. Got the blue echo and another gold echo. That's awesome. Now, we're uh-oh if we get anything new because we have too many things. Oh no! Okay, so every time one of those go, we already have a gold one, so we'll get a red one. Not you. Go away. Drop someone. I've got plenty of the jellies. I'll just go ahead and leave those there for now. I can come back for them later, I think. Not for sure. I haven't ever tried leaving anything. That is a lot of jelly, but the oil and steam is harder to come by, so we'll just leave it there. Ooh, red one. How pretty! And go decorate with them.
Little baby. It's a baby.
And we are going to go home. Is that another echo? No, it's not. It tricked me. It tricked me from way up there. Yeah, that was fun to figure out. You had to put plorts in each one, but some of them were hiding pretty good. Once you got the plorts in all the mouths that needed to be, that had a big golden door on it. And every one that you'd get, it would light up right there. And then after the last one, it opened. That one was actually a lot of fun to do. Which is why I am considering starting a new world. And just doing it all over again. I think I came the wrong way. Yes, I did, because I believe... Yep, I'm in the moss blanket. No, moss blankets. Moss blanket is so fun to try to get out of. It's a maze if I've ever seen one. I believe home is this way. Yes, it is. Alright. Let's check and see just in case. No, more advanced. I'll get it one of these days, though. That I will. Think we can make it? I think we can make it. Oh yeah, we more than made that. If they have any more upgrades on that, I'll just be able to fly clear across the map. I won't have to worry about nothing. I'll run through here because there's ferals over here. They shock ya. Home. Shortcut. Tee hee hee. Hence. Where are we going to put these red echoes? I think in the cave because they look like they just glow so much brighter in there. What do you think, Say? Does that sound like a good idea? He's giving a thumbs up. He says that's a good idea. There's our gold one. Isn't it so pretty? Ooh, I know what we'll do. We'll shoot them around here like stars. Oh, because that's open, so we'll just... Yeah, we're going to stick with that. We'll put the blue in the middle. Oh, the blue's so pretty. Let's go get the gold and put it over here, too. Oh, the little kitten. Mew, mew. So cute. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Zay? That pretty cool looking? Oh, yeah. Thumbs up. That's good news. All these guys still happy? Yep. All right. Take our Q berries. Oh, little hearts, because I love it. Ow! I forget occasionally. You can't quite step on those because they step back. Nummy, nummy, num, 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 num. Make sure these guys stay happy. I don't like them getting mad. I'm telling you, see, I just tried to suck him up because he faked me out. They're little shadows. They get me good. Boy, they get me good. And we are going to go put our goodies up inside of our yeah. There we go. Our oil and our steam. Thought I had only one, but I had two. At least had two. Which is good, because the more the better. Actually, I need to go make some more of the beehive ones, the apiaries. We need pink plorts in order to do so. So let's come over here. Nope, it's already got one. I went to that. It's always back over here. It's like relearning the game almost, just 'cause it's been so long. Okay. Kind of shoot these bad boys up in here. Da-da-da-da. And now we're good to go. Fabricate. Phosphor plort. Down in there, but actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just set that one up. There's a flashlight. I just discovered that. Shoot my energy. Okay, now I don't quite remember how to do that though. It was T. That's what it was. Okay. Drop these around here just to see what we get. There we go. T turns it right back off too. See if we have any more of these guys. They aren't doing so good. I think we'll let them stay in there for a little while and kind of build them back up again because I'm getting awfully low. I don't like to run out of things. Let's go see if there's any new upgrades or anything. We have it. The whole time we were out there, we could have unlocked those blue ones that I ran into. I must have got that last time while I was out and about playing and completely forgot about it because it's been months and months and months and months since I played last. That's different than it used to be as well. That's way different. Select a rancher. I like his goggles. We're going to go with him. It says... I think his name is Humphreys? Victor Humphreys. He says, if possible, please acquire the following for a future study. My thanks. He would like... I have the coins for you. Okay. I don't know about that. I don't like going into the mossy mossy oak because it's a maze and I get lost. We'll go get the hens. All of them. Wait, it was what? 8 hens, 3 briar hens. Yeah. There's a stony, stony, stony. Hey, oh, elder hen. We don't keep the elderly, we feed the elderly. It's so sad to say. Oh no, is that an elder? Nope. Okay, keep them roostros. Okay, that's good. Let's come over here. 1, 2, hey. Oh, okay. Now I understand what's going on. I thought that was asking for all of these. So, what it's saying is if I get them 7 honey slimes and 7 of the stone ones, it will give me roosters and monies. Gotcha. I don't think I need roosters and monies right now. Not bad enough to have to go to the mossy oak and get those anyway. Get one more of these bad boys. Okay, we'll get a whole bunch more of them apparently. And ooh, they angry. Oh, we'll do one more. Make sure. No, we can't. That's okay, because they like everything, so we'll just put some veggies in there. Have to go mind my farming because we are a little low. We always have tons of carrots and stuff anyway, so. Like right there, what I tell you, tons of carrots and stuff. I like to give the carrots to the pink ones because it doesn't really make much a difference for them anyway because they eat everything. And carrots come in abundance. Poor grumpy face things. Oh, he's so hungry. Eat, my loves, eat! Here, have a carrot. My odd onion. I thought I had odd onions somewhere. Yep, I do. Okay, and we will give them Q-berries. Because of phosphorus, or not. Yeah, I think it's the phosphorus. Yeah, their favorite is the Q-berry. I always like to give them an extra one because it makes them make extra plorts, which is why I have so much money. But, oh, they're angry. We'll go get some more and feed them. Oh no! I always try to take the shortcut, but it never pays off. It always ends up hitting me. Come down here. Try to keep the Q-berries around because a lot of them love the Q-berries. And that one's not ready. We have one down here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. They're all popping up. Good deal. Come get them. Anyways. They grow awfully quick, don't they? I wonder what a Q-berry really tastes like. Because it looks like a strawberry. But it grows on a tree like an apple. So, I don't know. So maybe, since it has like the little seeds, it feels like a strawberry, but tastes like an apple. Or maybe it feels like an apple, but tastes like a strawberry. I don't know. There's no telling. But anyways, we'll call that good for today. There's my lovely humble abode. All of my little slimes to go with it. Anywho, I think next Slime Ranchers video we'll start a new one and go from there. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you would. We'll catch you next video.